Webull offers opportunities for beginners to make money through stock trading. Here's a beginner's guide. Create a Webull account. Sign up for a Webull account, providing necessary information and verifying your identity. Learn the basics. Educate yourself about stock market basics, including how stocks work, market orders, and different investment strategies. Webull offers educational resources for beginners. Practice with a demo account. Webull provides a simulated trading platform for beginners to practice without real money. Use this to get comfortable with the platform and trading strategies. Fund your account. Deposit funds into your Webull account. Start with a small amount if you're a beginner. Research stocks. Use Webull's research tools to analyze stocks. Consider factors like company performance, financials, and market trends before making investment decisions. Start trading. Execute your first trades. Webull offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different stocks to reduce risk. Avoid putting all your funds into a single stock. Stay informed. Regularly check market news, updates, and your portfolio on Webull. Stay informed about factors influencing stock prices. Set goals and limits. Define your financial goals and set limits for profits and losses. This helps manage risks and emotions.